Hi, this video is about replacing the igniter on your ComfortBilt HP21 Pellet Stove. As always, make sure that you remove the unit from power before servicing. From the back of the unit to get to the igniter is down here in this section, and the cartridge slips in through a tube, and there is a set screw that holds it in place. This is the set screw right here that we're going to want to remove, and this is going to be a Torx 25 screw, and then that will release the igniter. So this is a ceramic heater cartridge. It's hollow in the center, and then to put your new one back in, this one gets installed flush to the back of the stove, and then tighten up your retaining screw. Does not have to be tight, it just needs to hold this in place, and you want to be careful tightening it up. If you enjoyed this content, please like and subscribe our channel. You can also search our playlist, and all links to all parts used in this video are searchable in the descriptions.